Hey Drone Nerds, Matt here. I have a DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise with me today, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 tips for more successful and accurate landings. The first tip I want to share with you for more successful and accurate landings is always utilize a landing pad. Now this is a foldable landing pad, and I bring it along with me for every single mission. It gives me somewhere solid to take off and land from, and gives you a nice reflective visual reference when you're on your mission. The grass that is in the field that we're flying today is quite long, so I always want to make sure I bring my landing pad with me so I don't have to land the drone in the high grass. The second tip I have for you today is try to find an open area to place your landing pad. If I'm looking at the area right here, I would say my choice of places to take off and land would probably be right here. The reason why I chose this spot is it's an open area without any tall grass in the vicinity. So if I'm coming down for a landing and I miss the landing pad by an inch or two, I'm not going to find myself in any of that tall grass. When you're coming in for a landing, we want to orient the drone with the front of the drone facing away from us. So right now, I'm going to square up the drone to the way my body is facing. And then I'm going to bring the drone over the landing pad using the remote controller.
And lastly, let's discuss my third and final tip.
Once the drone is over the landing pad, I'm going to rotate the gimbal down 90 degrees. And now you can see that a target appeared in the center of my display. This is great because we can superimpose that target over the circle on our landing pad. Now we have the target in the center of our display superimposed over the circle on our landing pad. We're going to keep our camera facing downwards at 90 degrees, and I'm going to take my eyes off of the display and bring the drone down with line of sight. Before I let the drone begin its landing procedure, I'm going to look back at the display and make sure that our target in the center of our display is still superimposed over our landing area. So I'm going to make a small adjustment. And now that everything is lined up once again on the display with the landing pad, we'll initiate the landing sequence.
Just before the drone touches the landing pad, the drone will automatically adjust the gimbal parallel to the ground.
And as you can see, our final result is a textbook landing. If you have any questions on the tips I shared with you in this video, go ahead and put those questions down in the comments. Also, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see all of our latest Drone Nerds content. My name is Matt. Happy flying.